today we're gonna be going through some sketchbooks. Okay, welcome to my diary / sketchbook. What's my favorite? Animal, fox, food, chicken, Alfredo, still my favorite food. Drink, apple juice, movie / show. D&D / show, whatever. Face, the forest, game, Minecraft / D&D. Oh my gosh, that was such a good. On this page, before 6 a.m., this is like a diary entry. Today is New Year's Eve. We are going to Marineland and then the beach. I wonder what adventures we will have there. Oh my gosh, this is majestic. This is a majestic. It's good enough. Anyways. Nothing on this page. This one is pretty cute. I think I'm sick, guys, so if my voice, like, you know what I mean. Oh yeah, Donna Kira. I was reading a book. I'll show that to you in a different way. The Hopping Supplies. Kim Orlando. Oh yeah, another book. I was a very talker. I'm still a very talker. Backpack, crystal, water, food, potions, notebook, into a penalty. Oh yeah, very warm backpack. I think my friend is a fairy hunter. Why? Because one time she said she was a fairy hunter, and I questioned her about it a couple days ago. She said it was maybe someone else. I suspicious, right? I know she said that I should stay friends with her? I was pulling her bestie. Something weird is going on. My PE again. The music teacher is not here today. I did not know. Oh no, I think our PE teacher is a little sus. Just have a weird feeling about her. I hope that everything will be alright. I'm reading the short books. I made a club. Wendigo PE advisor something. It was if you know what that is, just an old activity. The house by the playground. Ideas for a club. Club name is NOV66. NOV666. Things to pack for a paranormal investigation. A flashlight. 2. A ghost box. 3. Jackets. 4. A phone or watch. 5. Informational books with documents. And I started a comic. Did you steal my fruits? No. Give me my fruit. Fine. Then, I did. I forgot the last stuff I got. And I got maps. The land of Northeast. The land of Northia. Sea Castle. Oceanic Village, an enemy river, Brain Peaks, the land of Arithia, Mountain Springs, Flame Kingdom, the Village of Fire, Forest. Yeah, that's about it. Amelia, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Like mushrooms, studying nature, just like lilies and blackberries. That was most of my recipes. I guess this is like a mirror. I don't know. Oh my gosh. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that who shall believe in him will have everlasting life. I know that's not the exact words, but Sheesh, the missing key to include blonde hair / third grade tan skin. Yeah, it would be a mystery back then. What I think the suspect looks like. Yeah. The faceless nurse. Yes, I made up a little story about a nurse. The static auto and the static version. Oh no. I'll take note of this. There's from Uzis. Who is that? It's that. I'm always trying to make it. Oh no, this is not a furry. She just does a cat ear headband. Who the fudge is that? Oh no. NLV666 agency. I go back. But we include the gifts hunting natural activities. Detective agency. Yeah. I made up a fairy type. My account mascot. Rivals, friends, friend, the fairy, and Moon the hunter. Yes, I gotta change the names, I know. Who the fudge is this? She's so cute though. Let me design her with just, I don't know again. You did not see that. Nope, you can't match you. Who the fudge? Oh, I think it was one of my OCs from the game. Quillen? Me as one. Oh, and I think this book was empty. I need to start drawing it anyways. Bye. You move along. Now we have this one. These are my only 2 sketchbooks I'm doing right now because hardly any. If I do Miss Cam, she gave me this one. And this one. My diary and sketchbook. Name. Date. Food animal fox / capybara. Food color pink. Food chicken Alfredo. Greek with Athena. Then besties, Athena, not the goddess one. Addison and Ava. Wait, which Ava though? And usual inventory, I spelled inventory. I spelled general. Pencil, planner, and fuller. Portrait on next page. I drew myself. So. This was schoolwork. I don't know, Tom Play thing? Princess list. Yeah, I had a couple enemies. We got a picture of my friend. I did that for unpossessing. I made that up. What the fudge? Anyways. Cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I started doing theory NFCs. This is, Amaya. I don't know. Amaya? I don't know. Amia. I'm just gonna call her that. Then the cat, Tibbs. Cat is a dog. Sky. Just space, I guess. I don't know who you are. These are not furries. Tree. These are not furries, they're TV things. Just trust. Sam, Fox theory. These are good. Snake. Okay. What? No. Did I draw a demon title? I want to know in the comments. If I drew a demon symbol when I was, maybe, I don't know how many years old at this point, then I'm screwed. Very. And the doctor said to take these pills and you feel much better, and you wake up numb and your brain spins, and your brain is savage, and your heartbeat won't beat based on the weather when you sell yourself to me. Took your peace, your pain, your pleasure, and left you with your face forever. You won't hurt anymore. Be careful what you wish for. And I did the other version. Just you. Okay. Like that. Then I drew Adeline, Coraline C again. Alex TV Hood. Oh my gosh. I got into my makeup. Shelly. Let's see. Beautiful. Cutie. The what? Was I drawing furries? Anyways. I called my friend Shrimpo. She is a bad friend. No, her name is not actually Shrimpo. Don't worry. Weird car? Can I have one ticket to Void 37? What the fuck? Yes, that was based on my YouTube. I forgot what his name was. I think it was like something. Cute. The Night of the Soul Seeker. Oh my gosh. I'm not read this to you. Jacob loved ghosts. His little sister did too. They went on ghost hunting trips on the weekends. One night, he and his friends went out to an old cemetery, leaving his sister at home. He got his bag with a bottle of water and a ghost box. They rode their bikes over to the cemetery. Jacob saw a single gravestone that stood out to him. He walked over to it, feeling like he was in a trance. Anyways, he placed down the ghost box. The first thing he heard is Sam. It was his sister's name. Then he heard more. He heard blood, souls, and God. He realized what happened. His sister's soul was gone. As he wept, he felt a tap at it on his shoulder. He turned around, realizing no one was there. They were all dead. Yeah, this wasn't that realistic. Okay. I was working on a song. And for sure, so I don't know. Feels right to be here. I'll transfer the playground. Ignore that. This is one of my characters. My voice is really bad, but I meant to say, oh no, forget it. Toodles, fam, kids, Shrimpo, my OC, Piper, Toodles. Addison, I drew my friend. This is what she was drawing. Amelia Dripfall. She's really cute. Why am I speaking in this voice? Anyways, she's really cutesy. I might draw her later. Blank. Why did I think all of these sketchbooks were filled? Darn, okay. I'm gonna have to start drawing in these because there's like lots of pages. Okay. that's it, guys. Not a messy desk, but yeah. Goodbye.